Hey guys, I'm going to remove my original grill. It's pretty old. That I used to have some lights here and kind of got pushed in, and because I have that gap from the new bumper, which is very small though, but I got the sport grill, and you can leave the frame right here, and all what you need to do is take these little screws, is one there, is one here, and so on and so forth. Since that I paint the bumper with the black Raptor liner, I'm going to do this grill on green with the Raptor liner, and also gonna prep and do the tailgate with the same. And if I like it, I'm gonna redo the truck. See, this grill is a lot deeper, so that means it projects further out a lot more. The other one is a lot flatter, so it should come right over the bumper. If I push hard on these, which I can't do it right now because I have the phone, basically it's gonna happen what I did with these. They're gonna break and I'll be able to remove it. These are really good. These are to send sheetrock. They're soft sanding blocks. Already the grill is out and only left those ends. They were just literally seared by probably heat. So when you push them out, it broke that little tab off, but I left the rest of it. So I should be able to put either epoxy or JB weld or silicone along the edges and put them back down if I want to. So right here is the grill. It's already primed. It looks extremely smooth. And this is how I tape. I just run the tape, let the tape fly, press it in with my fingernail, and then with a nice new knife blade, I'll cut around it and leaves a really smooth transition. I'm gonna start mixing the material, putting it on. Everybody knows to prime the stuff and all that, but here I am I'm about 3 feet away, and the finish, the first coat, is very smooth. Now I'm against the light. That's the first coat on it, and I have about a half a can left. I already shook it for about 2 minutes, top the bottom, another 2 minutes. But the key is to be far away. As soon as you put that can too close, it'll really make a major mess. So we are trying to speed these to dry it a little bit, and this is the grill after it got primed. The same thing, I have absolutely no drips anywhere. Remember to stay away at least 2 feet. I'll do it about 3 feet away. It looked like it's really far away, but this thing sprayed ton of material. All right, I'll show it how it looks when it's done. To show you how nice the green color looks on the grill. Maybe the phone doesn't make justice, but the paint is very smooth as long as you spray it from at least 2 feet or better. I took the logo out of the old truck. The green is really good. I will be taking, this got really faded, but it lasts me over 2.5 years without doing absolutely anything to it. And it's just regular camo dip paint. The bumper looks really good. I did prime the cross bracket into there, and I gotta paint it, and so that's how that beautiful green came out. I'll show you guys too. I did the tailgate. Okay, right here. This is gonna be hard to tell because it's against the sun. The other thing is, look, it's absolutely no gap, nothing, absolutely nothing. The bumper came out mint. The gaps on the side and the front, everywhere, super even. And this is a sport grill because it projects further out and it have a different curve, so comes up like about 2.5 inches. So went right over that gap.